Welcome to the Sonoma County Library video channel. We post new videos every week, so bookmark, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Hi everyone, this is Miss Kim from the Sonoma County Library. Welcome to our Crafting at Home series. Today we have a very fun craft for you. Now, be sure to check out our library website, sonomalibrary.org, for more information and resources. Now, let's get started with our craft.
Okay, everyone, so here is my workstation. What we're going to make is a marble run. It's okay if you don't have marbles. You can make your own little marbles out of foil. Now, what I have here is some tape. Some stronger tape might be better, but Scotch tape is perfectly fine. Scissors, toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls, foil, and I had some leftover strong cardboard. Now, what you're going to do is we're going to cut out a few of these and cut the sides to make them into ramps. And one of the nice things is if you grab one of your toilet paper rolls and you cut it in the middle, but you cut it a little bit up so that there's some shape to it, you can put your ramp in it. You can see I made a mistake and I cut it straight. Make sure you cut it at a curve. And then you can slip in your other ramp and it'll fit in and your marble will catch and roll down. You just need to cut out a little hole here for it. So make sure, let's make sure to cut a little tunnel for our marble run to go through, for our marble. There we go, so I made a little spot. Let's try and put that in again, see what that looks like this time. There we go, so it's inside, it has a spot. Let's see what this goes. Ta-da! So there's how you make a little ramp. Now what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna stack two toilet paper rolls together and tape them together. So I've got some very tall start to my marble. Perfect. And then I'm gonna have it come all the way down to one underneath. So I'm gonna grab this and make a little hole for the marble to fall out of so I can pick it back up again without having to pick up the whole unit. Perfect. And that's where the goal is going to be. So I'm gonna tape another ramp to this ramp. I'm gonna stack and you can make toilet paper rolls together and tape them together. Ramp you want. There's different ways to make it. You can make it multiple levels connecting together. It's really up to you on how you want to design it. This one's having a little trouble holding, so I might use that for support. I'm gonna try not to put any tape on the inside so it doesn't stop the marble. And then I'm gonna bring this here, attach my one with the little hole to this one. There we go. Perfect, so I've got my second tower with the hole in it, my first tower with some support. And there we go. Let's test it and see how it goes right now. If I put my marble in, will it land in the second tower or will it go somewhere else? Let's see. It worked perfectly. So what should I do next? What should I add? What do you think? What kind of design and towers are you going to make? Are you going to make multiple ones so that maybe it goes back down now that it made it to this side? Are they going to go back and forth? Are you going to make a very large one where it rolls and rolls and rolls? Up to you. Give it a try and have fun. I can't wait to see what you make. Please post in the comments.
Thank you everyone for joining me today. That was so much fun. Please post pictures of your completed craft on social media so we can all see. We miss you terribly. Can't wait to see you in person again. Please stay safe, stay well, and thank you so much for joining me. Check back for more videos every week.